Hi, and welcome to Aunt's Family Recipe. I recently had a subscriber request that I film what my life is like at home here during quarantine. So today I'm sharing with you a weekly vlog of what's happening at our house. On weekdays, we've been doing school from home. I have a son who is in 2nd grade and a daughter in kindergarten. The hardest part of homeschooling for us is keeping my 1.5-year-old occupied. Things like this happen all the time. He is very difficult to corral. So on this day, the kids' special was physical education. So the gym teacher had sent a bunch of exercises we could do at home.
Can I have the black Emma?
Ben, what did you make?
A Batman. I'm not ready yet, Mommy.
Ooh, cool. That's okay. What are you working on, honey?
A girl puppet.
What did we just do with the marker?
So this marker got dried out, and on TV, this lady said if you put a dried out marker in warm water, it will last longer. See?
And it'll work again, right?
Yes.
And it is. So cool. There's our water for Broop. It worked. Has anyone else been watching Go Noodle? Cuckoo Kangaroo? Glitter? It's one of our favorites.
Glitter, glitter, everything's covered in glitter, glitter. Hello, my name is Batman, the spider.
Can you show me the spider, Ben?
It's like here.
Oh, that's nice. I like it.
Can I see? I want to see.
Yeah.
Why do you guys live by the sea? Because if you live by the lake, it will be big off.
It's been raining like crazy here, and that's forcing all these little ants into our house, which is driving me absolutely insane. So my husband found online that if you mix a little bit of baking soda and powdered sugar, this will get rid of the ants, and it is working so well. I still have to grocery shop for my family. I'm trying to only go once every week or two for my family of 6, but I watched a tutorial online how to make my own face mask, so this was me just testing it out. The hair ties around my ears really hurt, so I ended up just tying the bandana around my face when I went out, but it was fun to sort of test out some of the methods recommended online. Our elementary school principal has been doing a lot of Facebook Live events, so on this evening he asked my husband and me to join in on kind of an open mic night event for parents and teachers. We call ourselves Man and Wife, and we're thinking about doing a live concert here on my channel, so give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see that. Next, I'll share with you a recipe I really enjoy from this book called One Pan, Two Plates. I've definitely had to adapt it. I was kind of just using what I had on hand, as we all are these days. It's a fresh pepper linguine with tuna, capers, and golden raisins. I started by zesting an orange and then dicing up the fruit itself into small pieces. Then I didn't have fresh black pepper linguine on hand, so I just boiled up a 12-ounce box of farfalle, or bow tie pasta. Any kind of pasta works for this dish. Then I added about a 1/4 cup of olive oil to a skillet, and I diced up my onions and garlic. And I just want to give a shout out to my kids Jack and Emma for filming portions of this video for me. Okay, so next up I'm chopping up some garlic, 2 cloves to be exact. Emma, do you want to get a shot of the garlic? Oh, that's very close. Can you back up a little bit? Can you see the garlic on the camera? Is it blurry or does it look good?
It was blurry, then it's now good.
Now it's good? Okay. So I'm just gonna peel them. Oh, that was super easy. What does that mean about my garlic? Does that mean it's old? I don't know. And then I'm going to chop it up.
Yay! What are you putting in there?
Garlic and onions
For what?
for my pasta, because you guys are gonna have a plain, but Daddy and I are gonna have something a little bit more special. I reserved about half a cup of the cooking liquid from my pasta. That will help bring the dish all together in the end. It kind of creates a little sauce. And then I cooked my diced onions and garlic in the olive oil over about medium heat until they started to soften. Next, I added in 2 cans of tuna. I added the diced oranges and the zest. About a tablespoon of capers, which are very salty and they kind of burst in your mouth. They're really yummy. And then also about a 1/4 cup of raisins. And I'm sure all of these ingredients together sound a little bit unusual, but I promise everything works so well together. You get a little sweet and salty and savory in every bite. It's a really yummy, kind of pantry-friendly dish. I added the cooked pasta into the sauce along with that reserved cooking water to bring everything together. And I seasoned it up pretty liberally with fresh cracked black pepper, since I wasn't actually using the pepper flavored linguine, and a pinch of salt as well. Really yummy. A little sweet, a little salty, got that citrus flavor, nice salty capers, so good. And I put a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese on top of mine too. The next morning I made French toast sticks for my family, and I have done a video for my French toast recipe, so I'll link that down below. I also made a big pot of sauce and meatballs that day, which is another video that I can link for you in my description box below. Everyone in my family loves this, which is rare to find a meal that everybody enjoys, and this will last us for several meals throughout the week. So it's nice to just cook once, and then I can serve it with different kinds of pasta. I like making chicken parm, we do meatball subs, and on this night I had some boneless short ribs from Logan Family Farms in Irwin, Pennsylvania, and I decided to braise them in the sauce, and they were out of this world delicious. They melted in my mouth and were so tender and tasty. I loved them.
Oh, yeah. Hi, we're having a fire tonight, and hopefully we will
What are we gonna make?
marshmallows, roasted marshmallows.
Roasted marshmallows, yeah.
Yeah, and sometimes when we roast them, they get burned too. We tried burning marshmallows and they're not that sweet at all. It's like, so the top is black, and we're just playing until the fire's all ready and we're going to have our marshmallows.
Sounds good. Let's check out this fire. Woo!
And it's really hot, so don't touch it.
Now, where did all that wood come from?
Oh, me and Jack got it out of the woods over there.
You got the wood from the woods?
Uh-huh.
And then did you saw it with Daddy?
Yeah, and we were like banging it onto this, and then we put it with our knee, but it was actually a little bit painful.
forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Ann's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you again soon.